Hello guys, welcome back to Tech and Unbox with Anas. We'll solve the problem of find the sum of first and natural numbers in Java. To solving this approach, first of all, we need to understand what is natural numbers in Java. So first of all, here we have examples. That is, let's suppose if you have an input is number 5 means under the 5 means 0 to 5 whatever the numbers is present that number should be sum is called it as a and natural numbers. So here we have example, let's say here we have a 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5 equal to 15. So the sum of this range until your numbers is become false is considered as a natural numbers. How to achieve this in the programs? Let's implement this. For that, first of all, you need to write a main method. Inside of main method, you have to create a one variables that is the int num is our variables name, and let's suppose here we have a instead of 5, let's take 10 or 10, 5, let's take 5, and then you need one more variables to store the our variable our sum. So int sum is equal to initialize with 0. The initial value of this our sum is 0. But we will store the values from here. For that needed to for loop to iterate until the 5. The for that for you need to int I is equal to 0. It is a sum. So that reason you have to start from the 0. If it's a multiplications, then you have to start from the 1. Because if you are starting from the 0, all the values will be 0 with the multiplications of 0. Here we are doing the sum to just write I is equal to 0 to start from the 0. I should less than is equal to not until the 5 and I plus plus to iterate until the our conditions becomes false. What you need to do, just write the variables that is created here sum plus is equal to I. This is the our assignment operator plus equal to store the values inside the sum. Plus is our operators to calculate the values to some values and with semicolon. Out let's come out the block and this out sum. What are the whatever the values is present, it will be coming inside this sum. Let's run this program to check our program is working fine or not. See here we have our 15. The sum of your total is 15. Also, you just concatenate and APU natural number yeah, is sum of okay. Sum of natural number is 15. If you want to check the how it workings, you just write inside of this out uh, I plus this plus okay, and it should be a print and the new line also created to not get in conflict. Okay, now run this program. 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4. 4 plus 5 is 15. So this is the way of solving the problem of natural numbers. That's all about in this video. Next video, we will come with the new problems. Thank you for watching Tech Unbox with Anas.